of our first gen Tacoma supercharger project, and like working on any old vehicle, you're going to break some stuff. And we've broken plenty. The biggest thing was the wiring harness cover. It's all dry rotted. It just seems to be breaking apart very easily. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. First thing first, since we are in the middle of a project, we've got all the holes covered up because you don't want any of this plastic falling into your motor or into your air intake. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is we've got to remove all the old plastic from around the wiring. Alright, we've gotten all this old plastic, very brittle, off of the wiring harness, and as you can see, the wires are exposed. So you're going to wrap it in 3/4 inch split wire. We've got the passenger side all wrapped in the loom. And as you can see, we have cut out little spaces for the plugs. And remember, we're going to wrap this in the Tessa tape. Now that your wires are protected with the loom, we're going to wrap them in the high-temp Tessa tape. So we've got our wiring harness all wrapped in our Tessa tape. Looks quite professional. I'm pretty impressed actually. And we didn't really make a dent on our roll here. So now to the driver's side. Now that your wires are protected with the loom and heat tape, you're going to want to get some rubber insulated cable clamps so you can mount the harness in the original location here. So now we're going to use these rubber insulated cable clamps to hold the wiring harness at the OE mounting points. I'm going to put it on like on second thought, I think I'm going to turn them the other way. I'm going to put them on like this now. And then hook them right back up to your injectors. Everything lines up really nice. And these will go to our core pack. So let's do the other side. And there you go. The wiring loom looks great. Lasts another 200,000 miles.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. Like, subscribe, and comment. All the materials that we use can be found in the links below. Stay tuned for the full supercharger video. Bye!